The Dassault Mirage 2000 A5F represent one of the most refined evolution of France's long-running Mirage lineage, a family of Delta wing fighters, that for decades symbolized the technological independence of French aerospace engineering and the tactical flexibility of Western European air power, developed by Dassault Aviation an advanced multi-role and air superiority derivative of the original Mirage 2000C. The -5F variant emerged in the early 1990s as part of France's response to a rapidly changing strategic environment at the end of the Cold War, when digital avionics, beyond visual range, BVR, missile combat, and network-centric operations began to redefine modern air warfare, whereas the original Mirage 2000C was largely optimized for short-range interception with the Magic 2 missile and a semi-analog cockpit. The Mirage 2000 A5 introduced a full-glass cockpit layout, an upgraded radar, new weapon interface, and enhanced data link integration, bringing the platform up to a level comparable to fourth-generation fighters such as the F-16C Block 50, the FA-18C, and the MiG-29S. The French Air and Space Force, armée de l'air et de l'espace, adopted the Mirage 2000 A5F primarily to sustain a capable and domestically supported air superiority fleet while the next generation Rafale was still under development, ensuring that France could maintain credible deterrence and rapid reaction capability within NATO and European theaters. Structurally, the -5F retint the Mirage 2000, S iconic ties delta configuration, en aerodynamically efficient design enabling high instantaneous turn rate, excellent climb performance, and simplicity of construction due to the absence of moving horizontal stabilizers, while incorporating minor aerodynamic refinement, such as small strakes and updated composite materials to reduce weight and improve maintainability. Power is provided by the single Snecma M5 3P2 afterburning turbofan, delivering approximately 21,400 pounds of thrust with rate, propelling the aircraft to a maximum speed of around Mach 2.2, 2,336 km/h, at altitude and a combat ceiling exceeding 55,000 feet, although not a thrust vectoring engine. The M5 3P2 is renowned for its reliability, throttle responsiveness, and smooth operation, qualities that have made the Mirage 2000 series popular among pilots transitioning from earlier French jets such as the Mirage F1 and Super Étendard. Internally, the Mirage 2000 A5F biggest leaply in its avionics architecture, the centerpiece is the Thomson CSF, now Thales, RDY multimode pulse Doppler radar, a high-performance fire control sensor capable of simultaneously tracking up to 24 air targets and engaging 4 of them at once with active radar-guided missile, operating in multiple modes, look up, look down, track while scan, terrain avoidance, and high-resolution ground mapping. The RDY system gave the -5F true multi-role capacity, allowing it to prosecute both air-to-air and limited precision strike mission without reconfiguration. This capability marked a significant departure from the Mirage 2000C soldier RDI radar, which was primarily dedicated to interception. Linked to the radar are the cockpit's two-color multifunction displays, MFDS, a wide-angle holographic head-up display, HUD, and an integrated mission computer that fuse sensor data to reduce pilot workload. The cockpit is fully compatible with night vision goggles, NVG, and features sans-on throttle and stick, OTAS, ergonomics modeled after Western Fourth Generation design, giving the Mirage 2000 A5F a thoroughly modern human-machine interface by mid-1996 standard. For electronic warfare and survivability, the -5F incorporates the Sabre self-protection suite with radar warning receiver, jammer, and chaff, flare. Dispense integrated into the aircraft's spine and wingtips, complemented by radar-absorbing coatings and optimized electromagnetic shielding to reduce detectability and interference. Communication and navigation systems include AVQuick 2 Secure UHF-VHF radio, an inertial navigation system updated via GPS, and a data link compatible with NATO tactical networks, ensuring interoperability with allied air force during combined operations. In armament terms, the Mirage 2000 A5F is centered on its ability to employ active radar-guided MICA, missiles d'interception, de combat et d'autodéfense, missiles in both SEM, radar, NDR, infrared, variant, enabling true beyond visual range engagement and multi-target interception, a leap forward from the older Super 530D and Magic 2 missile, with a range of up to 80 km. The MICA est used en active seeker for autonomous mid-course guidance, while the IR version Provident, of Borisite, short range dogfighting capability similar to the AIM-9X Sidewinder, the combination gives the Mirage 2000A5F, fire and forge, versatility in nearly all aerial combat situation, secondary weapon options include laser guided bomb, conventional iron bomb, rocket pods, and drop tank for extended range, en internal 30 mm DEFA 554 cannon mounted under each wing root provide close range firepower at 1,200 rounds per minute per gun, primarily for dogfighting or strafing. Typical combat radius on air superiority mission is approximately 740 km, extendable through body refueling or tanker such as the C-135F Stratotanker. Mission profile may include high altitude interception, medium range patrol, and low level ingress for strike escort, with a maximum external payload of roughly 13,200 pounds, 6 kg. The aircraft balance aerodynamic purity with operational flexibility. The Mirage 2000A5F also